Well, this is what happens when you can no longer get TV parts for your TV. You turn them into shop lights. First one here is an LG 60-inch. Watch your eyes. Oh my, it hurts. Woo. There's voltage readings and that. Bang. Oh my. I got that choked down all the way too. Okay, that's the LG. Oh. Okay, that's the LG. And this is that Sylvox $4,000 TV. I put cooling fans on it too, just to keep the hot spots down. So this is a real watch your eyes one here. Look at that, it lights up the whole frickin' works up there. That's cool. It's just bright as hell. So there you go.